If you want to make a non-toxic, beautiful candle for your meditation or manifesting practice, then this DIY is for you. My favorite recipe for beeswax candles has 2 ingredients, pure beeswax and coconut oil. These 2 ingredients make a slow-burning candle that is non-toxic and will last a lot longer than any other candle you've ever experienced. I will be making 2 candles, one with white beeswax pastilles and coconut oil, the other one with yellow beeswax pastilles and coconut oil. The recipe is very simple. You need half beeswax and half coconut oil in your measurement. So I have 4 ounces of white beeswax, 4 ounces of yellow beeswax, and I'm putting 4 ounces of coconut oil in each of those pitchers. Make sure they're glass, and then you're going to put them over a double boiler at slow heat, stirring occasionally for about an hour until everything is completely melted. Now, while the beeswax is melting, prepare your jars. Pick some glass jars, a wick of choice. I'm using a wooden wick and I cut it to the height of the jar. I want to stabilize it to the bottom of the jar with these glue dots. And as soon as the beeswax and the coconut oil are completely melted, I pour them in and slowly move my jars to the side to let them completely cure and solidify. It usually takes a couple of hours. Because I had a little bit of beeswax left over, I added some drops of fragrance for candles. You just add it, stir it in, and then I use small tins to make tiny candles. I pour it in, and then I added some dry flowers to each. If you decide to add dry flowers or anything to your candles, you want to drop them in after you pour in the beeswax, and then you want to push the dry flowers away from the wick so they don't accidentally catch on fire. But here we go. These are our candles, beeswax and coconut oil. They're beautiful, simple, soothing, non-toxic. Happy DIY.